Yeah, very happy afternoon to all of you. So today we are Sunday special. We are conducting riddle games. So in this today also we are going to start our riddle games. This game is hosting by Akshanta. Akshanta, are you ready? Actually, this we gave to Pranavi, but maybe network problem or any. Not in time. No problem. Already Akshanta also ready there. Yeah, Akshanta, over to you, Nana. Please take the host.
Okay.
Children, all of you, please once on your videos. Okay. Yeah. Total 11 members are here, but only 5 videos I'm watching. Remaining all of you, just once you start your videos, I kept in gallery view, Nana. Yeah. Okay. So, Akshanta, come on, you continue. Start, Nana. Over to you.
What loses its head every morning but gets it back at night?
Repeat the question.
First, you tell your name, class. Hello, Akshanta, tell your name and class. Then afterwards, you continue, okay? Where do you live? Right? Start, Nana.
Good afternoon, my dear friends and ma'am. My name is K. Akshanta. I am studying in 6th class.
Place here.
Now I
Here.
am riddles. What loses its head every morning but gets it back at night?
Pillow.
Right answer.
Wow,
What
Chinmay.
do you break?
Repeat the question and answer.
What loses its head every morning but gets it back at night? Answer: pillow. What do you break before you use it?
Egg. Egg.
Right answer. What do you break before you use it? Answer: an egg. What starts out tall, but the longer it stands, the shorter
Stand it.
it goes? What do you break? What starts out tall, but the longer it stands, the shorter it grows? Answer: a candle. What does throw cities, our hills, and around turns but never moves?
Repeat the question.
What goes through cities, over hills, and around towns but never moves?
Letter.
No. Answer is a road.
Wait, Nana, wait. Just give them some time to think. Okay? Yeah. Somebody's talking. Please don't discuss. Listen the question carefully and try to give the answer. Okay? Yes, Nana, continue.
What does December have that other months do not have?
December.
What does December have that other months do not have?
D.
Yes.
Right
What
answer.
gets wetter as it dries?
Towel. Repeat,
Right.
repeat the question.
What gets wetter as it dries? Answer: towel. What do you call a bear without an ear?
B.
Yeah, right answer. What has keys but no locks and space but no room?
Repeat the question.
What has keys but no locks and space but no room?
We are using it.
Repeat the question.
What has keys but no locks and space but no room?
Piano. Piano.
No.
Not piano.
Phone.
Array, it has keys and yeah,
Mobile.
No.
not
Earphone?
mobile.
Earphones. Computer.
Yes.
Computers, what it is? Computer, it's okay.
Keyboard. Keyboard.
Super.
Keyboard.
What is at the end of the rainbow?
Just a minute, Akshantar. Question,
W.
once you repeat the question and you tell the answer. Okay. Then the others also, they could understand the question, right?
Okay, ma'am. What is at the end of the rainbow?
W. W.
Yeah, right.
W.
What is at the end of the rainbow? Answer, the letter W. What word is always spelled wrong?
Wrong. Wrong.
Which letter of the alphabet has the most water?
C.
Right answer. Which letter of the alphabet has the most water? C. What invention lets you look right? Thought a wall.
Repeat the question.
What invention lets you look right? Thought a wall.
Window.
Yeah, right answer. Where does today come before yesterday?
Dictionary.
Yes,
Last
right
week
answer.
question, last time question. Yeah.
How many alphabets are there in this word?
9. 9.
Wrong.
9. Repeat
No.
the question.
How many alphabets are there in this word?
This word.
4. 8. 5.
Wrong.
No, in this world.
7. 5. 10. 5.
No.
5.
No.
9.
No.
11.
Yes.
No.
11 also wrong.
Ma'am, 8.
How?
Ma'am, only word of alphabets. A,
Yeah, I
L,
said
P.
it, no?
I thought in this world, in THIS, this WORLD world. So 11 I thought. Okay.
How many alphabets are there in this word? Answer 8. What kind of ship has 2 masts but no captain?
Friendship and relationship.
Right answer. What kind of ship has 2 masts but no captain? Answer, a relationship. What 2 words added together? Captain. The most letters.
Repeat the question.
Post box.
Yeah, right answer. What 2 words added together contain the most letters? Answer, post box. Post office. I go around all the places, cities, towns, and villages, but never come inside. What am I?
Shoes. Air. Letter.
Wrong.
Repeat the question.
I go around all the places, cities, towns, and villages, but never come inside. What am I?
Shoes. Shoes.
Wrong. Can I tell the answer, ma'am?
Wait. Once again, repeat the question.
I go around all the places, cities, towns, and villages, but never come inside. What am I?
Vehicle.
No.
Guess. Any guesses? I'm also thinking like slippers only. Slippers or shoes.
No, ma'am.
Legs.
Huh? What's I, Dheeraj?
Legs, ma'am.
No.
Legs never come into the house. Okay. Repeat the question once, Akshanta.
I go around all the places, cities, towns, and villages, but never come inside. Who am I?
Train.
Wrong.
Wastage.
No.
Can you repeat the question?
Road.
I go around all the places, cities, towns, and villages, but never come inside.
Road. Bus.
No.
Trees. Trees.
Chinmay,
Road.
right hand. Road. Street.
Road.
Yes. Street. I go around all the places, cities, towns, and villages, but never come inside. Who am I? Answer: road and street. You can hold me in your hand, but not your right hand. Who am I?
Right elbow.
Yes, right answer.
Repeat the question and answer.
Okay. You can hold me in your left hand, but not your right. What am I? Answer: your right elbow or hand. You go at red and stop at green. What am I?
Watermelon.
Yes, right answer. What falls but never breaks? What breaks but never falls?
Can you repeat the question?
What falls but never breaks?
Anand.
What breaks but never falls? Yes,
Can you
right
repeat
answer.
question once again?
What falls but never breaks? What breaks but never falls? Answer: day and night.
Okay.
What has two hands, a round face, always runs by staying in place?
Watch.
Right answer. What has two hands, a round face, always runs by stays in a place? Answer: clock. What 5 letters word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Short. Short.
Right answer.
Short.
What wood looks the same upside down and backwards?
Repeat the question. Repeat the question.
What word looks the same upside down and backwards?
Yes. Noon.
Repeat the question.
No.
Repeat the question once again.
What word looks the same upside down and backwards? Can I tell the answer, ma'am?
Wait.
D.
Wrong.
Noon.
Tomato.
Chinmay,
Wrong.
O. O. Letter
message in the chat box, Nana, once you check. Moon or noon, Chinmay? Yeah. Okay, Akshanta, reveal the answer.
Swims. What bird looks the same upside down and backwards? Answer, swims. You can carry it everywhere you go and it does not get heavy. What is it?
Repeat the question.
You can carry it everywhere you go and it does not get heavy weight. What is it?
Air.
Knowledge.
Wrong.
Knowledge.
No.
Your name.
Yes, right answer. You can carry it everywhere you go and it does not get heavy weight. What is it? Your name. The
Okay.
more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I?
Footsteps.
Wrong.
Repeat the question. Repeat the question.
The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I?
Shadow.
No.
Question repeat, Nana.
The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I?
Yes, anybody? Otherwise, reveal the answer.
Fingerprints. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Answer, fingerprints. The more there is, the less you see. What am I? The more there is, the less you see. What am I?
Darkness.
Yes, right answer. The more there is, the less you see. What am I? Answer, darkness. What is full of holes but still holds a lot of water?
Sponge.
Bucket. Yes, right answer. What is full of holes but still holds a lot of water? Answer, a sponge. What has 10 letters and starts with gas?
What?
That's with gas. Okay.
What has 10 letters and starts with gas?
T. Letter
Wrong.
T. Automobile.
Automobile. What has 10 letters and starts with gas? Answer, automobile.
With correct answer. Next time, Rikwit, you have to be ready.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
What spends all the time on the floor but never gets dirty?
Floor. Floor.
Wrong. Wrong.
Repeat the question.
What spends all the time on the floor but never gets dirty?
Shadow.
Yes, right answer. What spends all the time on the floor but never gets dirty? Answer, your shadow. You are my brother, but I am not your brother. Who am I?
Sister.
Yes,
Anish.
who are my brother, but I am not your brother. Who am I? Answer, I am your sister. టూ ఫ్లోర్స్ ఉంటాయి. యాపిల్ ఉన్న నూడిల్స్ కింద పడేస్తారు. ఏది ఫస్ట్ కింద పడుతుంది?
Noodles. Noodles.
Because noodles is fast food.
Fast food.
Can you repeat once again?
Ma'am, questions completed.
Okay, once again, repeat the last question.
టూ ఫ్లోర్స్ ఉంటాయి. యాపిల్ ఉన్న నూడిల్స్ కింద పడేస్తే ఏది ఫస్ట్ పడుతుంది? ఆన్సర్ నూడిల్స్, బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫాస్ట్ ఫుడ్.
Fast food, that's what it
ఫాస్ట్ ఫుడ్ కాబట్టి ఫాస్ట్ పడుతుంది.
very funny. Okay, okay. So do you love to eat fast food?
Yes, ma'am.
All the children maximum, but you have to maintain it. Okay, only once in a month it is not an issue, but regularly you should not take it, right? Okay, so today also I kept a message in our yoga group, children. We have a meeting today at 5 o'clock. That is emergency meeting. Compulsory all the yoga students must attend, Nana. Hari Prasad, okay, Nana? Do you want to ask?
Ma'am, today quiz are there, ma'am?
Yes.
Like it is there. Quiz is okay. Continue. But 5 o'clock yoga children, with yoga children, I have a meeting today. All the yoga children, all of you must attend, Nana.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
ma'am.
made yoga group.
You're
Ma'am,
there.
may I ask?
Okay. But you have to start your video, right? Yes. Okay. Yeah, sit properly, Nana. Sit properly. Yes. Now you can ask.
What blacks and white? What black and white and read all over?
Repeat the question.
What black and white and read all over?
Chessboard.
Can you
Ice.
repeat? No.
Is it right answer? They told the answer. Once you on your video,
Answer is
Nana.
paper.
Somebody is talking there. Okay. Yes. Ask the question. Is it right answer? Hari Prasad. Is it right answer, Nana?
No, ma'am. Answer is newspaper.
Repeat the question.
The question and answer. Read once again.
What black and white and we read all over?
The answer is newspaper. Right? Your
Yes.
network is very low. Okay, Nana.
Who
Okay, no
can
problem.
shave 20?
Huh?
Ma'am. Who can shave 25 times a day but still have a bread?
Barber.
Barber. Correct answer.
Barber.
Correct answer. Next question. You are running a race and at the every end you pass the person in second place. What place did you finish in the race?
Second.
Correct.
How?
మ్యామ్ మనం ఇప్పుడు సెకండ్ పర్సన్ ని పాస్ చేసినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ అయితే మన ముందర ఉంటాడు కదా మ్యామ్.
That we have to explain, no? So, okay. Yeah, Hari
Patricia.
Prasad.
Ma'am, next question. Ma'am,
You speak, Nana. Speak.
I ask once again. What begins with an E but only has only one letter in it?
Envelope.
Correct answer.
Repeat the question and answer.
Once again. What begins with an E but only has one letter in it? Next. What begins with T, finished with T, and has T
Teapot.
in it?
Teapot.
Correct answer. Correct answer. And that's it, ma'am.